Alright, hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about troubleshooting a dishwasher. This is a typical dishwasher you find at home today. Now, for convenience, I've removed the lower basket, because if your dishwasher is not working properly or not washing your dishes properly, a lot of times can be because you get some buildup in the lower basket. So if you don't have a habit of pre-rinsing your dishes before you put them in there, and you get lots of stuff that can accumulate. In the back of the dishwasher, there's an area, it kind of looks like an upside down basket. And a lot of time, if you have either standing, and a good indication if you're having some trouble with your dishwasher, there'll be some standing water in here even after it's completed. And basically what that means is that it's not draining properly. Now I've got a 1/4-inch nut driver that I can reach in here and actually use to remove this basket. So what we'll do is we'll unscrew, there's 2 screws that'll hold it down, and we want to remove these screws. So once you remove the screws, then this basket will pop out. And essentially, and you can look at here, this one does need some cleaning. And this is another thing to point out too, is you can get some mold and debris build up in these. So whenever you take these out, you want to make sure you scrub and you clean this out really good. In the back, there is a basket. So this will catch some of the finer ones. There's another basket in here that'll catch some of the larger ones that you can pull out. And then what you want to do is you want to reach back in there and clear any debris that's actually keeping it from draining. Now that's the most common problem that you have in troubleshooting your dishwasher. The other thing is you want to check and make sure that your wash arm here rotates freely. And it could be that in the drain portion down here you could have some particles that get stuck in that. And that's just a matter of rotating it until you can clear those out. Now the other thing that you want to look at is the drain line comes from your dishwasher into your garbage disposal is the most common setup if you have a garbage disposal. Otherwise, it'll go directly into your line. So if there's something blocked up in that tube, such as grease, you may have to also remove that and clean that out. So those are the common things that you run into in troubleshooting your dishwasher. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to troubleshoot your dishwasher.